Swami Vivekananda was a lover of men above everything else. He gave the message worship Shiva in man as practiced and preached by Sri Sri Ramakrishna Paramahamsa Dev and the Holy Mother Sri Sri Ma Sarada Muni. He wanted us to do so for Atmano Mokshartha Jagadhitayocho. With this end in view, on August 3rd, 1962, in a very small mud-built cottage, Vivekananda Mission Ashram came into existence at the initiative of a group of selfless monks and the devotees in a remote village, Rampur, 120 kilometers from Kolkata, West Bengal. The divine dream, with his ever benign grace, has grown gradually into a temple of learning and distinctive culture for thousands. The services rendered by Vivekananda Mission Ashram from a small hut bordering the village cremation ground to a ramifying compound with the state-of-the-art education and medical facilities is open to all, irrespective of caste, creed and nationality. The ashram is a registered, non-commercial, non-profit making, non-government organization notified as an institute of national importance by Government of India. The ashram has so far set up 21 institutes, which includes schools, college, 100-bedded eye hospital, charitable dispensaries, community-based rehabilitation and integrated education program for blind, the vocational training center and rehabilitation center for the blind, and so on. VMA's multidimensional service activities in the field of education, eye health care and associated training program and rehabilitated encompasses specially the visually impaired to make them self-reliant and useful citizens of our country, apart from its parallel institutes for the sighted compeers. We are fortunate and affectionate to have the unstinted support of both the state government, central government and the God-sent permanent donors who have kindly taken the entire responsibilities to bear the expenses of these essential and beneficial institutions. We look forward to more and more people to be associated with the Mission Ashrama. Mission Ashrama's work is God's work. We are confident He will through us all give shape to this much needed program of serving God in man. Our dream is to see this complex as a service center of excellence in the country.